First, create new family and choose window template. And then, create the window size. Temporary hide the wall and the opening, click Wall and HH. Now create the window frame by using extrusion. Make sure you lock all the lines. Tricks: point the cursor on the line, press tab one time to offset all the lines together. Adjust the window frame width. Don't forget to lock. Set the thickness. Now you already done your main window frame. Now we create the internal frame and glass panel. Tricks: point the cursor on the line, press tab one time to offset all the lines together. Now you already got your window. Next, we're gonna create a material for the frame and the panel. Select all your frame that you want to use as same material. Assign the material. Do the same thing in the glass panel. Then you can set the material in the properties. Now you already got your window. Now we want to create the opening symbolic line. To create the symbolic opening line, you have to create the reference line first. Make sure you equal it. on annotate greater than symbolic line greater than hidden line. And check the chain box. Now we gonna test the dimension, is it work or not working? It's work, so now we gonna create a glass symbol. Go to File and create New Detail Item Family. Just draw a line about 200 millimeters length. Command MV to move. Then load this glass symbol into Window Family. Just rename it as glass symbol. Command Alt to align the symbol to center. Test the dimension again. Save your window family. Now we test to use into our project. You can duplicate it to a few sizes as you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what tutorial you need. Thank you.